Melodymilo friends! Welcome to Melodymilo Kids!
Wake up early, smile so bright. Say good morning with delight. Make your bed nice and neat. Start the day with happy feet. Good habits every day help us learn, work and play. Good habits make us shine. Healthy hearts and happy minds. Brush your teeth up and down. Wash your face, don't wear a frown. Eat good food, fruit every day. Drink some water, jump and play. Bad habits, let's say no. Throw in trash, don't do so. Don't be rude or make a mess. Kindness brings us happiness. Share your toys, help a friend. Say thank you in the end. Wash your hands before you eat. Clean and healthy is so sweet. Good habits every day help us grow in every way. Good habits, yes indeed, they're the little things we need. Come and play, it's quiz time now. Let's look around and learn just how. I'll ask a question, you answer too. Can you guess what we should do? Is it safe, yes or no? Raise your hands and let us know. Think that answer loud and bright. Learning safety feels so right. A toy is lying on the floor. Should we pick it up once more? Yes, that's safe, nice and neat. Now our room is clean and sweet. Is it safe, yes or no? Clap your hands and let it show. Think that answer loud and bright. Learning safety feels so right. A cup of hot tea on the table high. Should we touch it? Let's all try. No, not safe. Stay away. Ask a grown-up every day. A helmet waits beside your bike. Should you wear it for your ride? Yes, that's safe. Buckle tight. Now you're ready. What a sight. Look around with careful eyes. Smart choices help us grow so wise. When you're not sure what to do, ask a grown-up close to you. Is it safe, yes or no? Now you really seem to know. Think with care each day you play. Safe and happy all the way. Wash your hands, kid, wash them clean. Sparkly fingers, shiny sheen. Rub the front and rub the back. Wave goodbye to every speck. Wash, wash, wash away. Keep the little germs at bay. Bubble, bubble, rinse so bright. Clean hands feel so fresh and light. Soap goes here, soap goes there. Tiny bubbles everywhere. Between your fingers, round your thumbs. Happy washing, here it comes. Wash, wash, wash away. Keep the little germs at bay. Bubble, bubble, rinse so bright. Clean hands feel so fresh and light. Dry them with the fluffy towel. Smile so big and stand up tall. Clap your hands and spin around. Health and happiness are found.
Open it! Open the bathroom! Look at the ocean room! Wow, bubbles! Look! Pop! Tee-hee! Look, my toothpaste! It has a ducky! Time to brush, yay! Look what I have! Toothbrush time! Whee! Brushing, brushing! Look at me! Look at my towel. Look, I found the soap.
Look at all the bubbles. Whee! Look at them all.
When my tummy says it's time, I stop my play, I know the sign. Walk, walk nice and slow. To the potty, off I go. Potty time, I can do it every time. Sit and wait, 1, 2, 3. Hip, hooray for little me. Flush the potty, hear it whoosh. Wave goodbye with a happy swoosh. Wash my hands with soap so clean, the cleanest hands you've ever seen. Potty time, I can do it every time. Sit and wait, 1, 2, 3. Hip, hooray for little me. Clap your hands, jump with glee. I'm so proud of little me. Every day I learn and grow. Potty champion, go, go, go.
Look what I found! Yay! An apple! I'll put this in the cart. Banana. Wow, these are the biggest strawberries ever! Look at this one! Yum!
Look at all the oranges. Wow. Hello, orange. Perfect. Let's go.
Wow, these grapes look amazing! I'm taking this big bunch. Yum, they're perfect! Wow, watermelon. This one is big.
Good morning. Eggs and bread today?
Yes, and this too, please.
Just a moment.
Daddy, Daddy,
What is this?
this red one, it's a tomato.
Tomato!
Tomato!
Round and red, now you know.
Daddy, Daddy,
What is this?
this green one, it's a cucumber.
Cucumber! Cucumber! Long and green, crunch, crunch, crunch. What is this one, Daddy dear?
This round one, it's an onion.
Onion!
Onion,
Onion!
onion.
Peel, peel, peel.
Daddy, Daddy,
What is this?
this round one, it's a potato.
Potato!
Potato!
It grows down low in the ground below. What is this big one here?
This orange one, it's a pumpkin.
Pumpkin!
Pumpkin,
Pumpkin!
pumpkin.
Big and round, tap, tap, tap.
Daddy, Daddy,
What is this?
this red one, it's a pepper.
Pepper!
Pepper,
Pepper!
pepper.
Crunchy! What are these tiny green things?
These are peas, little green peas.
Peas!
Peas,
Peas!
peas.
Pop, pop, little green peas. Tomato red and cucumber green.
Onion, potato, pumpkin we've seen.
Pepper, peas, and eggplant too.
Great job, buddy, I'm proud of you.
Veggie, veggie, now I know.
people.
I am a doctor.
I am a nurse.
I am a firefighter. I am a police officer.
I am a teacher.
I am a farmer. I am a chef.
If you like and enjoy this video, click the like button, share, and subscribe to Melodymilo Kids for more kids learning videos.